Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram gift card. So if I go for in this plus icon and choose a video or go for reels and choose a video, then go for next. After that, you can see here a manage option. So I don't have because I don't eligible for that. So in this list you can see a manage option like this. When you're eligible, then you have to just turn on this allow gifts on reels. So after that you can use your gifts on Instagram, post or reels anywhere. So that's it. This is how you can use Instagram reels gifts in Instagram gifts on reels. So if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.